Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P80. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your smartphone via recovery mode. If you forgot your password to the smartphone and there is no way to retrieve it, you can always factory reset your smartphone via recovery mode. Unfortunately, this procedure will erase all data from your smartphone and you will have to set up it from the beginning. In order to do it, press and hold power button and restart your smartphone. Now press and hold power button and volume up button until you see HUAWEI logo. Release the buttons, and now we will enter factory reset. Select clear data or update mode. If you've got option to perform e-recovery, perform it from here. If you don't have this option, select clear data. Now select wipe cache partition and factory reset. Enter the word yes and confirm. Factory reset is complete. Now go back and you will have to restart the smartphone and set it up from the beginning. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.